Hey guys, so the next step is going to be creating your own version of your present. So you're just going to have to click on the present sprite and go into the costume. You have the same options as before. So the three main ones are: first, you can go ahead and just use the present that's already given to us. You can use the paint bucket tool and go ahead and change the colors to whatever you want. So you can just pick the color and then go ahead and click on it, and then you can start making this original art one your own. So that is the first option that you guys have. The second option is you can go ahead and make your own one, and it does not have to use the same pixel artwork that we've been doing. So it's very simple. All you have to do is, and I'm just going to use a different costume as an example, but you'll just need the one. So if you want to, for this one, you can always just convert into vector, empty out the drawing, and then make your own one. But what you'll essentially do is you'll want to use the rectangle tool. You pick whether or not you want the outline. For right now, I'll just keep the outline. But I would just go ahead and make one box. After you're done, you can go ahead and make the second box by just selecting with your select tool, clicking on the square, copying and pasting it, and you can go ahead and move them side by side. And what you'll want to do is you'll use your reshape tool. You can go ahead and move it a little bit higher, or you can even think about it as towards the back more. And this will kind of give it the illusion. We can make this a little bit smaller. That we have the side of the present box. You can also move these a little bit closer because it doesn't have to be too big. And then you can see here, I made one side of it. And then you can go ahead and draw the ribbons and bows and everything else. So this is another option that you guys can use for your present. The last way you can do it is, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this, you can just convert to bitmap. You can use the line tool, and again, you're using the number 2. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And then all you need to do is just start creating your present. So I'm just making lines. If I want, I can also make it a little bit diagonal before I use it for the second line. And here you can see I'm just starting to build it. And you're using the same similar exact things that we kind of learned while making the reindeer in order to make your present. So you have those 3 options for you guys available, and take your time and really create whatever you want. And then you can move on to the next step, which is going to be coding.